Okay, this one's interesting because it takes a while to terminate, but it's going to terminate. It's guaranteed. So, this is a proper fraction, so it's 0 plus this. So the first A1 is 0, and then I take the reciprocal, goes in once, remainder 153. A2 is 1, reciprocal again, goes in twice, remainder 112. I think you get the idea, right? It's tedious, though. It really is to compute these things. It takes a long time, though, doesn't it? And I'm just, I did the arithmetic. Certainly, I'm hoping you do that arithmetic too. Like 41 divided by 30 is easy. It's 1, remainder 11. 30 over 11 goes in twice, remainder 8. You get the idea. All right, then what do you get? 11 ace goes in once, remainder 3. Boy, it's really going on, isn't it? Then you get 8 thirds, goes in twice, 2 thirds. Then you get 3 halves, 1, 1 half. Now, someone I know is going to say, why'd you stop there? Let's talk about that again. If I went on, what would I get? What's the reciprocal of half? 2. So 2 would equal 2 plus 0. There is no fraction. So I'm done. And, writing these things down, they kind of look nice. Whoops, sorry about that. But, my goal over here is kind of to write down what most people would write down nowadays, which is this thing over here. All right? And by the way, it does have a pattern to it. But let's take a look at it. I would get 0, 1, 2, 1. Let me just check that off. 0, 1, 2, 1. Right? 0, 1, 2, 1. Then 2, 1, 2, 1. Let me go over here. 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's keep going. 2, 1, right? Let's put that down. 2, 1. And this 2 over here represents the last thing, which is a half. Again, write it down. I kind of like this towering nature of this over here. It looks kind of interesting. And I write that down over there. Writing down these 5 conversions, fairly simple. If you're using this notation over here, 0, then 0, 1. I'll do a little computation later. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do the computation over here, 0. Do the computation over here, it's going to be 0 plus 1 over 1, which is 1. You do the computation over here, you get 0 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 half. Yes, it's more difficult to do. Yes, I can do it. It's going to be 2 over 3, all right? So forth and so on. You can continue to compute them if you want, and that's up to you, all right? Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what we're going to do over here. I guess we'll go to problem number 6 in a moment. Before I do that, though, I do want to remind you, I do it on occasion. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ NNON.US. Thank you. And you should reach out to me if you think I made an error somewhere, certainly.